Hi Jennifer, I made this quick video so I wouldn't have to type 1,000 words, so I'm going to go over it twice real quick just to make sure that I know what I'm doing. So this is the results of Yurie's test, right? I centered AAQ and I centered DEQ. I made a new product variable out of the two, and according to the output, the interaction was significant, right? So this one B would be model 2, and it did show a significant F change, and the ANOVA, the second ANOVA, was in fact significant as well. And then the coefficients were significant, right? The interaction term, the centered term, product terms was significant. It says that all over the place. So what we did was we broke the AAQ and the DHEQ into high-low groups by their medians, just to double check to make sure that there was a difference, and right, there was a significant difference between the levels of AAQ when it comes to the relationship between DHEQ and TSI. Whew. My head hurts. So that's when we sent you this one. Hold on a second. This one. Boom. So I think we sent you the wrong test. We should have sent you this one. There it is. So with this one, what I did was I split the file for AAQ between low and medium, AAQ. So the blue line is for the low AAQ. So what this says is that the relationship between TSI and DHEQ is negative for the blue line. So as DHEQ increases, TSI decreases, but it's not significant, right? The slope is barely over 0. But then on the other hand, for those guys that are greater on AAQ, the higher AAQ guys, that's the red line, when DHEQ increased, so did transnegativity. Okay, so that's what that is. So let me try to put it together in a quick nutshell. And can you hear my neighbor? Hold on a second. I shouldn't be so hard on him. He fixes cars for a living in his backyard, which is right on the other side of the alley. So, but dang it, he drives me crazy. Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, okay. So this was the wrong one. This was the estimated marginal means from a 2x2 ANOVA that we made from making the AAQ into a dichotomous categorical variable, high-low. Same with the DHEQ. So this is not the right one. This just shows that there's interaction, which supported the regression thing, right? That showed that there was interaction between the AAQ and DEQ. So now part 2, this is the one that I should have sent you. Again, I just explained it. So it's a split file, and it shows that they're going in different directions, which again supports the fact that AAQ, the relationship between DHEQ and TSI is different for the high and low AAQ, which by definition means AAQ is a moderator between these guys. Now, I could not tell the slopes here. You'll notice that there's a glitch in the system, but that's for the the red one is on top of the blue, and I checked for about a half an hour, could not figure out how to do that. But I can only see the high AAQ slope here. So what I did was I redid it in SPSS or in Excel. So here's the low guys, and there's the slope, right? It's negative 0.04. Again, it just barely above 0. So this is the one that's not significant. And here's the high AAQ, and the slope is about 0.13, and it is significant. Just to make sure they were, I ran a split file, a simple regression between transnegativity and DHEQ, one for the low AAQ guys and one for the high AAQ guys. And you'll notice right up here that for the low AAQ guys, it is not significant, right? Not significant. But for the high AAQ guys, it was significant. So, and then the ANOVAs agree with this up here. So somehow, I don't know how to put that on a graph or nothing, but the red line is significant and the blue line is not significant. So, God, I hope this helps. let me know if I'm anywhere near right or wrong or something. All right. again, I'm gonna go play with my grandkids. So I will talk to you soon. But I think Yurie's got it. She does. She's a smart young lady. So, all right. Talk to you soon. Bye.